Hi guys, my name is Sueb Saif and today our topic is Alibaba Cloud. So first of all we have to know about what is Alibaba Cloud. Alibaba Cloud, also known as Alion is a cloud computing company, a subsidiary of Alibaba's group. Alibaba Cloud provides cloud computing services to online businesses and Alibaba's own e-commerce ecosystem. So now, today we will talk about the Alibaba's cloud products. So, I choose two most important products of Alibaba Cloud. So, first of all, my first product is Object Storage Services. What is Object Storage Services? Object Alibaba Cloud Object Storage Services provide industry-leading scalability, durability, and performances. Customers of all sizes and industries can use it to store and protect any amount of data for use cases such as backup and restore, content distribution, data lakes, website, mobile applications, data archive, and lot of devices. In the a lot of devices, Object Storage Services is designed for 99% durability and backup with industry-leading SLA. It helps millions of companies to build scalable and secure and cost-effective storage foundation. It is also one of the key services that empowers Alibaba Double 11 event every year. So, object storage services use cases. Content distribution. Object Storage Services integrates with CDN products to deliver reliable, scalable, and flexible and cost-effective content distribution solutions. For media-related use case, content needs to be processed before it goes to the end user. For example, resize, rotate, and add watermark. You might need content distribution solution when you build e-commerce platform, social media, video on demand, or app store. So backup and restore. Data are important assets of for organization. Data backup are critical to prevent data loss and escape from ransomware. Cloud backup is much more flexible and cost-effective approach. Leverages all benefits cloud has. Object storage services is a scalable, durable, and cost-effective storage option which can be used to back up your data. Use data online migration services, use your own application or third-party solutions and target your backup destination to object storage services. Backup to hybrid backup recovery. And this is the picture for the object storage use case backup and restore. This is the use case diagram for this one. Now, cloud archive. Industries such as media, medical, government, and science usually keeps lots of data for a very long term and can grow to BPS. Traditional archive solution requires customers to maintain physical infrastructure which is expensive and requires upfront investment. Archive data to cloud is a flexible and cost-effective solution. Object storage services offers archive and deep archive storage to meet different archive pattern. The archive tier offers data retrieval time within 1 minute, and the cloud archive tier offers expedite data retrieval time within an hour. Online Drive for social media applications, user may upload photos and videos or do live streaming and share with others. Object storage services is a commonly used product in use case. With transfer acceleration, object storage services will redirect your request to an optimal access point and leverage its backbone network to speed up download and upload. So there is one more object storage use case, data lake storage. Data are growing exponentially and they are increasingly diverse. Out of all the data generated, 80% of data is unstructured, such as medical records, social media, business documents, and media files. Use object storage services as the storage foundation of your data lakes and big data analytics. With object storage services, you can easily ingest your data into data lake, including IoT data, on-permission data, or in cloud data. There is also one more object storage services use case, static website hosting. Static website are website in which all web pages consist one of the static content, including scripts such as JavaScript code and run on the client. You can use the static website hosting feature to host your static website in an object storage services bucket and use the endpoint of the bucket to access the website. In addition, you can configure HTTPS, CNAME or CDN for your websites. Object storage services benefits. What are the benefits for object storage services? Industrial leading SLA. Object storage is designed 99% durability with multi-layer redundancy and end-to-end data verification design. Object storage services provide high standard SLA 99% availability for local redundant storage and 99% availability for zone redundant storage. OSS storage has 10 plus years of history and is the storage foundation for Alibaba e-commerce platform. There is also a lot of benefits for this one: cost effective and easily to consume. Object storage services offers 4 tiers of storage: standard, infrequent access, archive, cold archive. Each tier is cost optimized for specific storage pattern. The archive tier offers data retrieval time within 1 minute, and the cloud archive tier offers expedite data retrieval time within an hour. Object storage supports pay as you go and different capacity reservation plans. Enterprise ready security and compliance. Object storage services make sure your data is secure in transit, in storage, or during access. Bring your own key encryption. Ensure your data is encrypted when it is stored. In cloud platform, write once ready many prevents malicious or accidental data deletion. Object storage services integrates with sensitive data protection to identify sensitive data such as by data. In addition, uh, Object Storage Services is the only cloud storage service in China that has passed the audit and certification of Quest Association and can meet specific requirements for electronic data storage. Easy data migration. Customers do not need to switch to different storage tools when they migrate object from other object storage versus APIs that interact with object are compatible with Amazon. Also, to help with data migrate to the online migration services provides free managed migration engine to transfer object from a variety of data source such as Amazon, Azure, Bob, Google Cloud, etc. Built-in media processing. Object storage services provide built-in media features also to simplify developer experience and the need maintain a compute cluster for these tasks. You can add image processing parameters to get object request to object image object stored in object storage services. For example, you can add image watermarks to images and convert image formats. You can also use OSS to capture video snapshots and provide examples. How OSS works. Stor Storage classes. OSS designed for tier of storage to help customers to optimize the cost. Use standard tier for your hot data and infrequent access tier for less access data. If you need to archive your data, you can choose archive or cloud archive, or our archive tier offers retrieval time within 1 minute while it takes minutes to hours with our competitor. For cloud archive, the retrieval time is within 1 hour while it takes 12 hours to 48 within with our competitors. This is simple billing. Some storage fees are hard to predict, such as APIs requests. A fault program can generate lots of APIs requests. Therefore, OSS designed a set of free costs for the following billable items: read API requests, write API requests, integrate egress. Please refer to free transfer acceleration. Transfer acceleration object storage services uses data centers distributed around the globe to implement transfer acceleration. When a request is sent to your bucket, it is passed and routed to the data center. When the bucket is located over the optimal network path and protocol, the transfer acceleration feature provides an optimal end-to-end encryption acceleration solution to sync OSS over the internet. Media processing. You can add image processing parameters to get object requests to process image object store in object storage services. For example, you can add image watermarks to image and or convert image formats. Back to origin. You can configure back to origin rules for a bucket if a request is sent to access an object that does not exist in a bucket for which back to origin rules are configured. Object OSS obtains the request object from the origin specified by the back to origin rules. You can configure mirroring based or redirection based back to origin rules for the host migration and specific request direction. Now we will talk about the pricing of our product. Object storage services fees, storage fees, traffic fees, API operation calling fees, value added services. There are in object storage services there are some different things which are there are some different products which has their own different fees. For example, storage fees has different type of data storage, and it has a different price. Like for the per month, for 100 GB it's 1.40 US dollars, and for 6 months is $6.97, and for 1 year it's $12.60. So for the different storages, they have um, different prices. And this is for the region of China, Hong Kong. Storage class, they have different capacities and different um, prices for different classes. Traffic fees has different prices. 1 terabyte has 100 gigabyte has 11.80. per month USD dollar, 58.76 6 months, and 106 for 1 year. So now we will move to our new next product, that's elastic IP address. An elastic IP address is a net IP address that is located in the internet gateway of Alibaba Cloud and mapped to the associate cloud resource through net. After a cloud resource is associated with an elastic IP address, the cloud resource can communicate with the internet through the EIP. A public IP address that can be independently owned, work with ECS, instance, NAT gateways, and internal facing SLB instance is a VPC. Associate with the cloud resources or disassociate from the cloud resources when it's necessary. Allows you to migrate IP address to Alibaba Cloud with insignificant changes to the system architecture. Benefits. There are different benefits for the EIP. High availability architecture that eliminates single points of failure and supports cross zone disaster recovery and automatic failover. High speed access from different ISPs. You can use 89 high quality BGP lines worldwide, and EIP bandwidth plans to increase the BGP bandwidth to 100 GB per second. Flexibility and billing methods. Supports the pay by data transfer metering method and data transfer plans. Support the pay by bandwidth metering method, subscription billing methods, and EIP bandwidth plans. Abundant IP address supports contiguous IP address and allows you to retrieve specific IP address you have released. There are some feature and plans. Elastic IP address, like starting from USD dollar 3.11 dollar per month. In this one, you have feature high speed and stable lines deployed around the world. Scalability within seconds, contiguous and specified IP address. In Elastic IP address, China, Hong Kong, BGP, Multi-SP Pro have some different features. Connect directly to the mainland China with low latency. Easy configuration and out-of-the-box features. Free anti-DOS origin basis. Scalability within seconds. It's for $34 per month. Elastic IP address. Migrate your IP address to Alibaba Cloud. 100 of BGP's lines worldwide. Unlimited any cost protection worldwide. Works with ECS, NAT, and SLB. So we will talk about the price of EIP. In China, there are different prices. Uh, for 1 MB, they are charging for 3.40 US dollars per month, and for 2 MB, 3 MB, 4 MB, 5 MB, there are different prices in China. For Asia Pacific, for 1 MB, it's 3.40 US dollar for per month. So that's all, guys. Thank you for your time.